G'day viewers, this is the accumulator and the scroll. This is actually a scroll compressor from our VS Commodore. I've actually might actually reuse this. There's nothing really wrong with this accumulator. What happened is the I think there's a seal somewhere, there's an O-ring inside here, and it started leaking. So the gas just escaped through one of the seals behind this bearing. I reckon one of the swash plate or the drive plate or something warps, and that causes these things to leak. So it's quite a good quality. This particular one is off of a VN Commodore. There was a damage when they removed the pulley off it, so the shaft's all bashed in, and it's I can't really put a bolt in that anymore. So I've kept the actual VS one off our car. I put that away. That may be repairable. This one, I'm going to tear it down. It's pretty much identical unit, except on the VS this is that much shorter on each diagonal opposite side of the compressor to fit the Ecotech block. But yeah, it's a Sandan Corporation, made in Japan, very high quality stuff. It takes Sunny, say 5GS or equivalent oil. This particular one's made for R12. I've also made some improvements to my capacitor bank. I noticed there was a bad connection in this bloody terminal block. One of the wires here arced out and this wasn't even getting any charge. I was only just relying on these two capacitors alone. So this one wasn't even doing anything. Let's give it another test and we'll see if we can pop anything. This is much better than how I had it before. Alright, let's see what we can pop. Okay, viewers, let's see if I can fire something out of that coil. Let's see what I can try as a projectile. Let's find a good projectile. A copper soldering iron tip. Yeah, that's a bit heavy actually. That's too heavy. I don't think that's going to do anything. Might need something lighter than that. We'll see what it does. Power on. Bank's charged. Yeah, but bank's improved a lot. Yep, much better. Not bad. Much bigger bangs. There was a bad connection with my capacitor bank. That's discharged. Big bangs. Look at this. The pin didn't even move there. It's too heavy. Just blew the bloody connection. Yeah, I need something lighter than that. Okay, now that I've got bigger bangs, let's try launching this sign again. Despite the bad connection in my clamp there, my jumper cable. Yeah, that particular coil needs more capacitance. That's discharged, that's been unplugged safety first. They're getting better. Okay, if you also found it blown is a stop reverse light, I think. Or actually indicator bulb from automotive. Don't know what car it's from, sorry, the automotive indicator bulb, because the camera's not out of focus here. I wonder what's going on there. Yeah, as I was saying, the reverse and stop lights have two elements in them, so that's only a single element type. Alright, let's microwave this bulb. Don't know why the camera went out of focus for a bit there. If focused on the light bulb, it wouldn't focus back in the microwave. Alright, let's plug this in. Power on, 3, 2, 1. Warming up. Oh, cool, little plasma. Oh, it ruptured. It wasn't quite as epic as the last incandescent bulb bang. That plasma at that first, very soon as it started off with me, the plasma inside was interesting. Like a flyback arc it looked like. That looks kind of cool. There you go, it's melting to the brick. Oh, you could smell it. Poor. I had the envelope of that bulb sitting on the glass, which was melted to the brick from the previous light bulb I nuked. Now it's welding itself, and that's absorbing all the microwaves, and now it's fusing itself to the brick. Interesting. Cool. At least the light bulb works. It's actually working quite effectively to light the inside of the microwave up. It's giving the same amount of luminosity as the actual proper light bulb, microwave light bulb would. And it's died down a bit. Feel the air coming out. Still staying cold. Air coming out of there still staying cold, so the magnetron's not even hot. Man, that's absorbing a lot of microwaves there. Damn, that's bright. Center the camera a bit. There you go. Yep, it's all molten away. Although it's made of ice, that's a work of art. Look at it. I think I'll stop that now. Yeah, it's not doing anything else. It's just going to sit there and glow. That's about as much I'm going to get out of it, I think. So we'll turn the power off. Look at that. Work of art. Whew. Interesting. It's pretty, these incandescent light bulbs are phasing out. Pretty much no smoke came from that. If you were to microwave one of these eco-friendly CFLs, there'd be all sorts of nasty, poisonous smoke coming into the bloody microwave. So-called eco-friendly smoke. Have a close look at that. There you are. Interesting. Interesting. Well, viewers, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.